If this is your first time here, my name is Mike. If you've been here before, my name is still Mike, but you would have known that already. Welcome to Delburne, a cozy village in central Alberta, located about 45 kilometers east of Red Deer. A small community with a big heart, Delburne is rich in history and surrounded by natural beauty. Delburne's roots trace back to 1910 with the arrival of the Canadian Northern Railway. The village quickly flourished and became a hub for farmers and settlers. By 1913, it was officially incorporated and has been a cornerstone of Alberta's rural culture ever since. The community's resilience has been tested over the years. Fires have challenged local businesses, but each time, Delburne's spirit of unity has shone through as residents rebuilt together, stronger and more connected. Today, Delburne offers something for everyone. Families flock to the Garth Ziegler Memorial Spray Park in the summer, while nature lovers unwind at the Fawn Meadows Lodge and RV Park. The village's playgrounds and walking trails provide simple pleasures for residents and visitors alike. For history buffs, the Delburne Museum is a must-visit. From railway memorabilia to local artifacts, it tells the story of the village's formative years and the lives of its pioneers. Delburne isn't just about history and parks though, it's a community where traditions thrive. Events like the Canada Day celebrations and Snowflake Saturday bring neighbors together, showcasing the warmth and charm of small town life. Delburne, Alberta, a place that blends history, community, and the natural beauty of rural life. It's not just a destination, it's an experience. All that remains now is for me to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already. Like the video if you did, feel free to share it with friends or family members who you think may enjoy it, and remember, you can find gradient imaging on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. But until next week, bye-bye.